Hello everyone. What if I told you these mini tools are delivering serious performance without destroying? Your wallet. Stay tuned until the end because the final tools are so clever and useful, you'll wonder how you ever managed without them. Number 1. If your garage looks more like a tool jungle than a workspace, this organizer could be the upgrade you've been waiting for. The LBT 66-inch garage tool organizer transforms wasted wall space into a heavy-duty storage system capable of holding up to 720 pounds of equipment. Adjustable hooks let you customize the layout for everything from rakes and brooms to ladders, snowboards, and power tools. Its durable metal construction resists rust and wear, making it perfect for garages, sheds, and workshops. Number 2. Need professional strength fastening without expensive equipment? This 16-inch Rivet Nut Tool Kit delivers powerful performance for automotive work, construction projects, and DIY repairs. The auto-release design speeds up installation while reducing hand fatigue, making repetitive jobs much easier. With 12 metric and SAE mandrels plus 230 rivet nuts included, you're prepared for a wide range of applications right out of the box. Number 3. Imagine completing assembly projects in half the time with far less effort. The AVID power electric screwdriver combines cordless convenience with enough torque to tackle furniture, electronics, home repairs, and countless everyday tasks. Multiple torque settings help prevent over-tightening, while the pivoting handle adapts to hard-to-reach spaces. The built-in LED light keeps your work area visible even in dark corners and cabinets. Number 4. Personalization has never been easier. This cordless engraving pen allows you to customize jewelry, wood, plastic, metal, stone, resin, and more with impressive precision. Powered by a rechargeable battery, it eliminates cords while giving you complete freedom to work anywhere. Whether you're creating personalized gifts, marking tools, crafting decorations, or starting a small business, this compact engraver unlocks endless creative possibilities. Number 5. Why carry an entire toolbox when one tool can do the job? This 21-in-1 ratchet screwdriver combines versatility and portability into a compact package designed for daily repairs and maintenance. Featuring Phillips, flathead, Torx, hex, and square bits, it's prepared for countless tasks around the house, office, garage, or workshop. The ratcheting mechanism speeds up work while reducing wrist strain. Its extra-long design helps reach recessed fasteners that standard screwdrivers struggle to access. Number 6. When precision matters, guessing isn't an option. The EPAuto Click Torque Wrench helps ensure bolts are tightened exactly to specification, preventing costly damage from over-tightening or dangerous failures from under-tightening. Perfect for automotive maintenance, motorcycle repairs, and mechanical projects, it provides clear and accurate torque settings. The satisfying click signals when the desired torque is reached, giving users confidence and consistency. Number 7. Small in size, but packed with features. The SKIL Twist 2.0 is designed for convenience and flexibility. Its pivoting head quickly changes angles to access tight spaces where ordinary screwdrivers can't reach. Adjustable torque settings help prevent damage to delicate materials, while USB-C charging keeps the tool ready whenever needed. The included bit set expands its capabilities for countless tasks around the home, whether you're assembling furniture, installing fixtures, or handling quick repairs. Number 8. Some fasteners seem impossible to remove because standard tools simply don't fit. That's where the SST Precision Spanner Wrench shines. Designed specifically for unusual hardware and obscure fasteners, it features adjustable tension and multiple pin sizes to handle a wide variety of applications. From machinery maintenance to specialty equipment repairs, this tool provides a secure grip where other tools fail. Its compact design and smooth adjustment mechanism make precision work easier and more efficient. Number 9. Professional mechanics know that speed and reliability make all the difference. The Wera 80-100 Speed 6-speed ratchet set delivers both with precision-engineered components built for demanding work environments. Its advanced ratchet mechanism allows fast operation while maintaining excellent control and durability. The included metric sockets cover a wide range of automotive, industrial, and workshop tasks. Every component feels solid, refined, and designed to last for years. Number 10. Ever struggled to copy an irregular shape accurately? The Saker Contour Gauge solves that problem instantly. Simply press it against any object and it captures the exact profile, allowing you to transfer complex shapes onto flooring, tiles, wood, pipes, and countless other materials. The locking mechanism keeps measurements secure while you work, reducing mistakes and wasted material. Whether you're a professional contractor or a DIY enthusiast, this tool saves time and improves accuracy. Number 11. Cutting cardboard, fabric, plastic, and packaging materials can quickly become tiring with traditional scissors. The Worx ZipSnip replaces manual effort with powered cutting performance that glides through materials effortlessly. Its compact, cordless design makes it easy to control while reducing hand fatigue during repetitive tasks. Built-in safety features provide added confidence during operation. Whether you're opening shipments, working on crafts, or tackling DIY projects. Number 12. Creating perfect wire loops by hand can be frustrating and inconsistent. The Beadsmith one-step looper changes that by forming and trimming loops in a single action. Jewelry makers, crafters, and hobbyists can produce professional-looking results in seconds without complicated techniques. The consistent loop size improves both appearance and quality while dramatically speeding up production. Whether you're making earrings, bracelets, or custom accessories, this tool helps transform creative ideas into polished, finished products. Number 13. Strong woodworking joints don't have to be difficult. The BORA Pro Compact Pocket Hole Jig makes creating professional quality pocket holes fast, accurate, and beginner-friendly. Its auto-adjusting drill guide adapts to different material thicknesses without constant setup changes. The included clamp and screws provide everything needed to start building immediately. Whether you're constructing furniture, cabinets, shelving, or custom projects, this jig helps create strong hidden joints with ease. Number 14. Measuring has entered the digital age. The Fanttik A10 Pro combines a traditional tape measure with a powerful laser measuring system capable of calculating distance, area, and volume with remarkable accuracy. The bright IPS display makes readings easy to view in various lighting conditions. Rechargeable power means no disposable batteries, while multiple measurement units add convenience for different projects. Whether you're planning renovations, measuring rooms, or estimating materials, this tool provides fast, reliable results. Number 15. Most caulking guns are bulky, awkward, and difficult to maneuver in tight spaces. The SILIGUN Gen 3 takes a completely different approach with its compact patented design that delivers excellent control without sacrificing performance. Its no-drip mechanism helps create cleaner finishes while reducing wasted material. Lightweight construction minimizes hand fatigue during extended use, making sealing jobs faster and more comfortable. Whether you're working around windows, sinks, tubs, or trim, this tool helps achieve professional-looking results. Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next tool countdown. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.